Good morning students, welcome to you all to our channel Accountancy. In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 6, Retirement and Death of the Partner. Today topic, Death of the Partner. Okay, illustration 21, page number 210. So Sundar and Vivek and Pandian are partners. They are sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. So the balance sheet is given 31st December 2018. So adjustment on 1/1/2019, Pandian died. On his death, of the following arrangements are made. So first one, stock to be depreciated by 10%. Then second one, land is to be appreciated by 11,000. Then third one, reduce the value of debtors by 3,000. Then final amount due to Pandian was not paid. So prepare the revaluation account and the partner's capital account and the balance sheet. So first one we are going to prepare revaluation account. Okay, first adjustment, stock to be depreciated by 10%. Okay, the asset value is decreased. So we have to write on the revaluation debit side. Second item, land is to be appreciated. So asset value is increased. So we have to write on the credit side. Then reduce the value of debtors. So we have to write on the debit side. Okay, so first one to stock account. Stock account. Stock value is 20,000. 20,000 into 10 by 100. 2,000. Then second one, land credit side by land account 11,000. Then next one, reduce the value of debtors. So debtors loss, so 3,000. So credit side is more, 11,000. minus 5,000, 6,000. So revaluation profit 6,000. Profit 6,000. The 6,000 transfer to the all the partners capital account. So partners name Sundar capital. Sundar capital account. And second, Vivek's capital account. Vivek's capital account. Third one, Pandian's capital. Pandian's capital account. So 6,000 we have to share. The ratio is given 3:2:1. So 6,000 into 3 by 6. 6,000 into 2 by 6. 6,000 into 1 by 6. Okay. So the amount 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Next we are going to prepare the partners capital account. So partners capital account, particulars Sundar, Vivek and Pandian and debit side. The same credit side also, particulars Sundar, Vivek and Pandian, partners name. So first one we have to write the balance, partners capital amount. So by balance brought down. So Sundar 50,000, Vivek 40,000, then Pandian 10,000. Then next we go to write revaluation profit. So by revaluation profit 3,000 for Sundar, 3,000 for Vivek, 2,000 and Pandian 1,000. Next we have to share the profits, general reserve, profit and loss and workman compensation. Okay, so in this sum we only appear in the general reserve, only appear in the balance sheet, 36,000. So general reserve transfer to the all the partners by general reserve is given 36,000. So 36,000 into 3 by 6, 36,000 into 2 by 6, and 36,000 into 1 by 6. Okay, so we have to simplify this. 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 18,000, 12,000 and 6,000. Okay, so next item, on the asset side, profit and loss is appeared in the asset side. So loss, so we have to write on the debit side of capital account to profit and loss account. So the amount 6,000. So 6,000 into 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. 1 6 are 6. Okay. So 3,000 for Sundar, Vivek 2,000 and Pandian 1,000. Okay. So next, no more item. So we have to add the credit side. So credit side total for Sundar 71,000, for Vivek 54,000, for Pandian 70,000. So bring it to the debit side. 71,000, 54,000 and 70,000. Okay. So Sundar and Vivek are continuing partners. So we have to write minus 71,000 minus 3,000, 68,000. For Vivek 52,000. So 2 balance C by D. So Pandian is right. So the final amount due Pandian was not paid. So remaining amount 16,000. So we consider as the loan account, Pandian's executor's loan account. So 2 Pandian's executor loan account. Okay, continuing partners only we have to balance. So 2 balance C by D 68,000 and 52,000. Then for Pandian 70,000 total. So minus 1,000, 16,000. So the final amount not paid. So we consider as a to Pandian's executor loan account. Next we are going to prepare the balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 1st January 2019. So new balance sheet. So liabilities and amount, sorry, asset and amount. So come to the liability side. So first we have to write the partners capital. So continuing partners Sundar and Vivek. So Sundar capital and Vivek capital. The amount is 68,000 and 52,000. So total 1,20,000. Next, Pandian's executor loan amount we have to write on the liability side. So loan, you know that liability. So Pandian's executor account 16,000. Next, creditors amount, creditors 14,000. Come to the asset side. First, land values appear in the balance sheet 80,000. So add appreciation. The value of asset is increased. So add appreciation 11,000. So total 91,000. Next, stock value. Stock value is 20,000. The value is decreased. So reduce the amount. So decrease the value. So reduce 2,000. So 20,000 minus 2,000, 18,000. Next, debtors. So debtors value 30,000. The value is also, debtors value also decrease. So minus provision or decrease 3,000. 27,000. Next, cash at bank. Cash at bank 14,000. Okay, so Capital Sundar and Vivek 68,000 plus 52,000, 1,20,000. Executor Pandian's executor loan account. Okay, loan Pandian's loan account 16,000. Creditors 14,000. Come to the asset side. Land 80,000. Add appreciation 11,000, 91,000. Then stock 20,000. The value is reduced. Minus 2,000, 18,000. Then debtors 13,000. The debtors value also reduced. 3,000. 27,000. Cash at bank 14,000. So total 1,50,000. Both side total 1,20,000. Okay, so I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.